Let's learn how to use wordart, and let's begin. First, you want to open a Word document where you're gonna put your wordart. Click on the Insert tab and look for the wordart button, and you'll see a gallery of wordart styles. Pick one that fits your style, and I'm going to pick this one. And now you can type your own words. You can customize this too if you don't like the style of it. You can search for the format tab, and you can customize the feel, you can customize the background color here. I'm not gonna use any. You can customize this too if you don't like the style. You can make this text your own. You can select the text and a format tab will pop up. You can customize the text field any color you want. You can customize the outline. You can add other things like shadows, glow, or other shapes. Transform the text any shape you want. If you want to change the text, like make it smaller or something, you can select the text and you can go to the home tab and make it bigger. Change the font, any font you want. If you want to drag it, and don't make any changes for the text font, because if you want to make the shape smaller, like the whole thing, and you don't want to lose your changes, you can click on one of the corners and use the shift button, and you can make it smaller or change the position on the page. If you want to change the layout of this text, you can click on the text and a little icon will appear, and you can see layout options. You have a lot of options, depends on what you want to do with the text. If you have a lot of text and you want to put it in the middle, I suggest the square, but you can also send it behind the text or in the front. That's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day.